Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I have found some of my new favorite pens by Mr. Pen. This 12 pack of pens is so fun, and I love all of these beautiful pastel colors that the pens come in. They are so smooth and feel fantastic writing with in your hand. I love all of the different colors that these pens come in, and I love that they are this amazing, quick, dry gel ink. There's nothing worse than writing with your gel pen and swiping your hand across and all of your writing getting messed up and you have ink all over your hands. Well, that does not happen with these pens. They dry super fast and the color is bright and crisp. I have really enjoyed writing with these pens. I use tons of different notebooks and journals and planners, so I am constantly going through pens, and I really have appreciated using these. The colors are just so bright and they pop, which makes keeping track of all of my daily habits super easy and fun. If you were looking for your new favorite pen, then grab this great 12 pack from Mr. Pen. They are absolutely fantastic. I think you are really going to enjoy writing with them, and that is my point of view.